Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 6 of Process Management and System Thinking. I'm Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong, and in week 6, we're going to be talking about chapters 9, 11, and 13, and we're reading that out of the Collier and Evans textbook. We have articles on managing relationships, not just workers, which is a very, very good article where it kind of talks about kind of how we're not just workers in the environment. And leaders really need to work together to make sure that those relationships are built and that people are having those relationships where we can actually relate with one another. Remember, when we go into a business setting, we're not just somebody doing a job. We're our person self. And it's one of those things where we have to have patience in the workplace, which is the second article we have this week for the applications of faith and values. So we also have a couple videos here for you guys to watch. Transforming forecasting and demand, what is supply chain, and then what's causing the supply chain to diminish and crisis across that. We have a discussion board post that's due this week, and I look forward to working with you guys in that as always. But this week we're defining forecasting and describing how organizations can apply various forecasting techniques in making business decisions. Forecasting is one of those things that can definitely help us to all make better decisions about what we're doing and kind of help us to understand what the future looks like. Thankfully, with a lot of technology, this has gotten a lot easier, and it's one of those things where we can definitely do this more accurately. So that's one of those subjects we're kind of passionate about in this class. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, I'll talk to you this week in the discussion boards. Thanks.